What's up, guys? It's your boy Freddy here. So, I want to give you guys a quick stock market update. So, China just retaliated with 84% tariffs on US goods in response to Trump's 104% tariffs on China last midnight. So, we see this back and forth between China and the United States, but interestingly enough, if you look at the S&P 500 chart, we did not break Monday's lows at 480, and we're starting to rebound already. This tells me that a lot of the bad news has been priced in, and whatever news we get from China or US or whatever concessions we get out of other countries will send the stock market higher, whether it be CPI or PPI Thursday, Friday. The market is ready to rebound. And I know it doesn't look like it because, we reached highs at 525 yesterday and then we sold off. But I think the market is trying to carve out a bottom, even while China brings this bad news, because, you know, a lot of these bad news has been priced in by investors already. The worst case scenario, there's just going to be a back and forth between China and the United States because neither country is willing to back down, right? And this 580 level is, or 480, sorry, is of significant interest because that was the highs in 2022. But I just want to mention that we could come down below 480 into like that 460, 470 level as the market tries to carve out a bottom. And you can see that the weekly MACD, the momentum is still negative. So we could get this back and forth spat between different countries. And a lot of these companies in the United States are starting to get really cautious. You can see that Walmart pulls quarterly operating income forecast citing Trump tariffs, and Delta CEO says Trump tariffs are hurting bookings as airline pulls 2025 forecast. So it's going to be a wild ride, right, into the summer. I think there are multiple goals with Trump slapping tariffs and things like that. One of the goals is that he wants to bring manufacturing jobs back into the United States, but he also wants to force the Fed's hand into cutting interest rates. And I think it seems like that is the biggest goal out of all this chaotic mess that's going on, and also getting other countries to reconcile on tariffs other than China. So he might call this a win. I'm not sure, but it's going to be a chaotic April and possibly even into May. So yeah, hold on to your cash. Buy the dips. I still think that we're going to all-time highs or possibly even testing all-time highs this year in 2025. So hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.